friends. Okay, so this is a very weird video because I have been couponing at Walgreens like forever. And guess what? The IVC coupon for this deal where a lot of us were scoring these candy bars for free has reset. I have never seen this happen in I've never seen this happen. So this is very, very weird. I'm going to explain how it works because it's not like a regular reset. You kind of have to root around a little bit for it. But say you were kind of like shy to grab more than, 4 candy bars at the store on Monday. Or if your store has more later, this might be an opportunity to score even more. So let's just get right into the Walgreens app. I have a Hershey's candy bar there. And as you can see, it's not even, you can't see a digital coupon whatsoever, but I did load it. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I put 4 into a cart. Again, this is a Hershey's single serve candy bar. And doing this in the comforts of my home, scroll down to the bottom and my IVC is coming off. Even though it's not appearing in the app, it is coming off. So that is kind of peculiar. So I'm just going to show you my redeemed folder. And if you look at the top, there's my IVC coupon that I used on Monday. Now watch me like an idiot try to find the one that I clipped. And I will let you know I clipped it through a desktop computer. It's just easier for this old lady to look for the coupon there. But it's listed here at the bottom. And then here's the weird thing. When I press on it, it shows up as a Crest coupon, but it's actually a Reese's coupon because you just saw me use it a second ago. So that's another thing. Call the folks at Unsolved Mysteries. It's just bizarre. But I do know that a lot of you, if your store had more in the back, see how it's a Crest coupon now, but it's actually a Reese's coupon. If your store has more in the back, or if more appear later, perhaps this is an opportunity to score. I know a lot of you, it's not even on clearance right now, and that's somewhat frustrating. But it's itemized either in the candy aisle at the self-checkout, or they have a display of this. And these are the 2 flavors that I personally scored. And it is a big cup called the Reese's Puffs. So I think it's that like puff cereal inside of it. And then the big pretzel cup. The big pretzel cup seems more interesting for me. I haven't had candy in almost 2 years, guys. So I didn't even touch it with a 10-foot pole. But I've already given half of the stash that I've found. It's all gone. So I have 20 left. So I'm going to have to use those wisely for Easter or run back out and try and find some more. But what a great deal. I know a lot of you scored. A lot of you shared your hauls with me over on Instagram. So definitely load that coupon. You're going to have to kind of take a little bit of a leap of faith because it's not going to show up automatically like a regular IVC. But for a lot of deals like Scott, where you have that IVC coupon once per month, this might be an opportunity if it resets to do the deal more than once on a store card, which is like really awesome. So hopefully you've been following along. Just to explain the deal one more time, these Reese's big cups are on clearance for 29 cents. So you will grab them in sets of 2. Actually, it doesn't matter. Just grab them. Even if there's 3, the IVC will reduce down to the cost. Load your IVC, $1 off 2, and it's going to apply to zero them out to nothing. Here's my receipt. I grabbed 40 in one transaction and they zeroed out. If you wanted to grab like 2 in a transaction, you can do that. But if your store is well stocked, I would grab a bunch, especially if you're trying to fill up those Easter baskets on the cheap. Kind of a controversial thing to say because a lot of people were like, I wouldn't do that. But a lot of us that are trying to do Easter on the cheap, that's what we did. And I know a lot of you scored. So if they restock, if there's more in the back of the store, or if you go to a store where there's a whole bunch and you already did the deal at one location, this is an opportunity to get even more. Answer another question. If your store hasn't cleared them out at all, I know that's super uber frustrating, but typically those orange stickers start to hit the floor either on Tuesdays or Saturdays. And that's just how it works. I know that like Texas and Michigan always seems to be on the same clearance schedule, but I know that you might be in like Maine and it might be something completely different. So definitely just keep an eye on these big cups. And I will let you know at multiple stores. I was at a grocery store here, specifically in the Midwest, and the same candy bars were also on clearance. So I don't know if the manufacturer is just pulling it or what's going on. But keep an eye out for that. This might be your opportunity to score really big. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.